चलिए बेंगलुरु में चलते हैं। संघ का महामंथन, आज संघ की बैठक का समापन है। सूचना मिल रही है कि बैठक और साथ ही जो प्रेस वार्ता होने जा रही थी वो बस शुरू होते हुए
Sunil Ambedkar ji. We have been having him on the dais in the last few press conferences here. He is Akhila Bharatiya Prachar Pramukh. To my right, we have a few other senior Pracharaks and Karyakartas. We have Shri Narendra Kumar Thakur ji. He is Akhila Bharatiya Saha Prachar Pramukh. We have Shri Pradeep Joshi ji. He is Akhila Bharatiya Saha Prachar Pramukh. We also have Shri Ayush ji. He is Bangalore. He is Dakshina Madhya, which basically involves Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. For this Dakshina Madhya Kshetra Prachar Pramukh, we have Shri Arun Kumar ji. He is for the Karnataka Uttara and Dakshin for the two prants Prachar Pramukh. I now request Shri Dattatreya Vasbade ji to conduct the press conference. Over to Shri Dattatreya Vasbade ji.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन. नमस्कार. सबसे पहले मैं ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन. नमस्कार. सबसे पहले मैं आज 23 मार्च है, देश के स्वतंत्रता के लिए अपने प्राणोत्सर्ग करने वाले 3 क्रांतिकारी भगत सिंह, सुखदेव और राजगुरु, all 3 came from different states, signifying that the unity of India, as it happened in the case of Lal Bal Pal also. These 3 young men who were revolutionaries and who fought for the emancipation of our country were hanged to death on this day, and their supreme sacrifice has to be not only remembered, but we should get inspired by their commitment to the cause of nation's freedom and their sacrifice. So throughout the country on this day, many organizations and innumerable number of people in the society, they remember these revolutionaries. And Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh also, in the first session in the morning here, we paid tributes to these revolutionaries. I start this press conference also by paying my respects to these young revolutionaries. Friends, I am really happy to have you all here on the final day of the Akhil Bharatiya Pratinidhi Sabha. It has been customary to address the press conference for the Sarkar Vivaha on the final day and to give some information, and I will be really, I express my pleasure to share certain things. One is on behalf of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, we are issuing a statement. Rani Abbakka Devi, who hails from the coastal district of Mangalore in Karnataka, this is the 500th birth anniversary year of Rani Abbakka. She commanded and ruled the small state in, on the west coast, the headquarters of which was Ullal. I studied in Karnataka only, and my mother tongue is Kannada. And you should wait.
प्रेस वार्ता और देखिए 3 दिन चली इस बैठक का आज समापन भी है और पहला ही दिन जब इस बैठक का था तो जिस तरह से अब रिपोर्ट प्रस्तुत की गई बीते वर्ष की पहले दिन और आगामी कार्य योजना आरएसएस की बनाई गई, फिर दूसरा दिन जब कल बांग्लादेश के मुद्दे पर प्रस्ताव पारित हुआ और बांग्लादेश के मुद्दे पर वैश्विक रूप से एकजुटता की बात आरएसएस की बैठक में कही गई। आज संघ के सरकार्यवाह दत्तात्रेय होसबोले की प्रेस वार्ता, आरएसएस की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उन्होंने तमाम बातों का जिक्र किया, किस तरह से ये 3 दिवसीय बैठक और कई बड़े अहम प्रस्ताव भी इसमें। चलिए
To achieve this before the next Vijayadashmi, which is our target. Next Vijayadashmi day, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak will be completing, as it has been repeatedly announced, the centenary year. And this year has served as the preparatory year for us. Preparatory year in the sense, one is expansion of the organizational activities, consolidation, improving the quality of the work, and also reaching out to various segments and preparing for the centenary year to expand and emphasize the activities that we have already been taking up, but giving a special focus on the same. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has never in the past celebrated its anniversaries like Silver Jubilee or Golden Jubilee, etc. Because Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh feels that we are not an organization in the society separately, we are organizing the society. That's why a day should come that it should be coterminous with the society. That's why the Sangh has always thought that we are a small, the society itself. So we should expand our work in such a way. That's why organizing or celebrating an anniversary is not our purpose. But the 100th year definitely provides us an occasion, an opportunity to, number one, to introspect. Number two, to place our acknowledgement to the society at large, from where our karyakartas, our full-time workers have come, where the support for this work has been phenomenal. And also the third thing is, this is an occasion for us to rededicate ourselves to the cause of nation, the cause of organizing society. So that's why we thought that instead of calling it a celebration of 100th year, we shall take a resolve to do our work more meticulously, more qualitatively, and reach out to the society, rendering service and making Swayamsevaks feel that we are part and parcel of this society. We are not away from the society. So that is why in our parlance we say we are a component of society. Ghatak, हिंदी में इसको घटक कहते हैं. तो इसलिए इस प्रतिनिधि सभा में हमने एक संकल्प पत्र को पारित किया है. We have adopted a resolve. One resolution has already been passed about the situation in Bangladesh, which has already been shared with you in the media. And I hope the discussion has already taken place yesterday. And on the occasion of the centenary year, the resolve or the sankalp जो मैंने कहा, उसको भी आपके पास प्रति देने वाले हैं. गिवन? तो इसलिए उसके बारे में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं कि संघ के कार्य जो 100 साल से चल रहा है, जैसे हमारे स्थापक डॉक्टर हेडगेवार जी ने कहा था, हम कोई नया कार्य प्रारंभ नहीं कर रहे हैं. प्राचीन काल से भारत में समाज के संगठन को और व्यक्ति के निर्माण करते हुए व्यक्ति चारित्र को बढ़ाने का कार्य हर युग में किसी न किसी प्रकार से कोई न कोई किए हैं. सैकड़ों हजारों वर्षों से किए हुए इस कार्य के ही अगले चरण के नाते, एज द कंटिन्यूड phase of the same work, the same mission, the RSS has also played its role. That is how we see our work. So that rededication resolve has already been accepted by the Pratinidhi Sabha, and the copies of which has been given to you. And from the next Vijayadashmi day, we will be having some focused activities in the form of organizing conferences, etc. I am going to give the brief account of the same. The first program will be on the occasion of Vijayadashmi day, which falls on 2nd October. Every year on this day, the Swayamsevaks in uniform, Sangha uniform, they assemble for observing Vijayadashmi Utsav all over the country. And this year, because there has been expansion to many new places, nearly 1 lakh places. So we are planning to have programs in each mandal or a basti comprising of 10,000 population, as I said. In big urban areas like Bangalore or Hyderabad or Mumbai, it can be number of programs may be less because comprising the thing. However, we are planning to have Vijayadashmi Utsav, launching the centenary year programs. And as it has been customary, on that day, Sarasanga Chalakji will address Swayamsevaks and the general public in Nagpur, which takes place every year. And all over the country also we will have that program. The second one is, we have thought of outreach, that is Vyapak Griha Gram Basti Sampark. So we want to reach maximum number of villages and bastis, and also maximum number of families or households. That will be planned in the month of July, August in each prant, in each state. The probable period of this will be November, December, January next year, when we will be having our outreach program, reaching out to crores of households and lakhs of villages and towns. And where our Karyakarta Swayamsevaks will be communicating the idea of Sangha, Sangha Vichar, the philosophy of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, and also its activities, and requesting people to join this movement, and also to join the various socially useful activities in their own localities, in their own villages. So we are going to distribute literature addressing these things in that campaign. So that is one is mass contact campaign, Vyapak Samparka Abhiyan. Generally, we have planned it for 3 weeks in each state. The Prant can identify its period during the month of November, December, January, according to the local convenience. Then we are having another third program is Samaj Sammelan. Hindu Sammelan will be conducted at Mandal Basti level. The small committees formed by the involvement of the general public, prominent personalities at that level, maybe block level, maybe town level. So they will organize this Sammelan, where the message of having, as society, we should be a confident, strong, united society, a harmonious society.